CrossFit is a high-intensity fitness program that combines elements of cardio, weightlifting, and gymnastics. It was developed in the early 2000s by Greg Glassman, a former gymnast and personal trainer. Glassman designed CrossFit to be a program that could be used by anyone, regardless of age or fitness level, to improve their overall physical health and conditioning. CrossFit workouts, or WODs, workouts of the day, are typically composed of a series of exercises that are performed in a specific order and are meant to be completed as quickly as possible. These exercises can include bodyweight movements like push-ups and squats, Olympic weightlifting movements like snatches and cleans, and cardio exercises like running and rowing. The intensity of CrossFit workouts is what sets them apart from other fitness programs. The goal is to push yourself to the limit and challenge your body in new ways, which can lead to significant improvements in strength, endurance, and overall fitness. One of the key principles of CrossFit is the concept of functional fitness. This means that the exercises used in CrossFit workouts are meant to mimic movements that are used in everyday life, such as lifting, carrying, pushing, and pulling. The goal is to train the body to be able to perform these movements efficiently and effectively, which can help to prevent injuries and improve overall physical health. CrossFit has gained a loyal following in recent years, and there are now thousands of CrossFit gyms, or boxes, around the world. These gyms are typically outfitted with a variety of equipment, including barbells, dumbbells, kettlebells, jump ropes, medicine balls, and more. Many CrossFit gyms also have areas designated for cardio and gymnastics exercises. One of the unique aspects of CrossFit is the sense of community that it fosters. Many people who participate in CrossFit describe it as a supportive and welcoming environment, where people of all ages and fitness levels come together to support one another and push themselves to be their best. This sense of community is often reinforced by the use of group workouts and competitions, which can be a great way to motivate and inspire people to reach their goals. There are a few potential drawbacks to CrossFit, however. One concern is the risk of injury, as the high-intensity nature of the workouts can put a lot of strain on the body. It's important to pay close attention to form and technique, and to listen to your body and take breaks when necessary. Another potential issue is the cost, as CrossFit can be expensive, especially if you are paying for a membership at a gym. Overall, CrossFit is a challenging and rewarding fitness program that has the potential to significantly improve physical health and fitness. Its combination of high-intensity workouts, functional fitness, and a sense of community make it an appealing choice for many people. If you're interested in trying CrossFit, it's important to find a reputable gym and to start slowly, gradually increasing the intensity of your workouts as you become more comfortable and fit. In addition to the high-intensity workouts, CrossFit also places a strong emphasis on nutrition. While there is no one-size-fits-all approach to nutrition that works for everyone, CrossFit advocates for a paleo-style diet, which is based on the idea that humans should eat the same types of foods that our hunter-gatherer ancestors ate. This means focusing on whole, unprocessed foods like meats, vegetables, fruits, and nuts, and avoiding processed foods, grains, and legumes. CrossFit also has a competitive aspect, with various local, regional, and national competitions held throughout the year. These competitions, called CrossFit Games, test the participants' physical abilities through a series of challenging workouts. The CrossFit Games are open to anyone who wants to participate, and they attract a wide range of athletes, from seasoned CrossFit veterans to beginners. In addition to the CrossFit Games, many CrossFit gyms also hold their own competitions and events, which can be a great way to push yourself and see how you stack up against others in your community. These events can vary widely in terms of format and difficulty, so there is likely to be something for everyone, regardless of your fitness level. As with any fitness program, it's important to listen to your body and pay attention to your limits when participating in CrossFit. It's also a good idea to speak with a doctor or a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions or injuries. Overall, CrossFit is a demanding but rewarding fitness program that has the potential to improve physical health and fitness in a variety of ways. Its combination of high-intensity workouts, functional fitness, and a supportive community make it an appealing choice for many people. If you're interested in trying CrossFit, it's important to find a reputable gym and to start slowly, gradually increasing the intensity of your workouts as you become more comfortable and fit.